me, your girl Ray Ray. What is up, you guys? So today is Saturday, and tomorrow is my son's birthday party, his pool party. We're going to be having it at my friend's house. She was so gracious. It's just because she has a bigger pool and bigger space, and we don't have that many people coming, but we just don't have like the space for parking and all that. So she was gracious enough to allow us to have his party at her house. So we took him to karate this morning, and when he was at karate, we ran to the dollar store, and then we had to run to Walmart. And this little miss, Callie, she has been up my butt like she won't leave me alone. So I just wanted to show you how we're doing his Fortnite birthday party on a budget, because we broke. So I'll just show you some of the stuff that we got. I did his cupcake toppers last night. I'm waiting for the house to cool down. When we leave, our house goes into like this power save mode, and the thermostat automatically sets itself, I think, to 80 or something. When we came home, the house is so hot. I'm like, I cannot. If you hear the dehumidifier going, that's why. You stop with my cup. So yeah. Sorry, my cat, she's getting on my nerves. Sorry, she's like driving me crazy. Like, she's been like this for the past like couple days, like constantly in my face, like not leaving me alone. So I just want to show you, like I said, we didn't get much. We have some like happy birthday plates and things like that, so nothing like major. Of course, like I said, we hit up the Dollar Tree. We got like at Walmart, we got the bottles of water, and we got the little hug drinks to make like the little chug jugs, but that's about the extent of it. So I already had these, so we're gonna do the blue and yellow. If you've seen the cupcake toppers, it's kind of like the Victory Royale colors. So it's a victory. We got to 9. Woo woo. So I only spent I think $30-some. They had some really cute stuff. So these are like these really huge, my son already opened these. They're like these big frog jumpers. You like push them and then they jump. Let me see if I can get one to. It's not really working. Let's see what my cat will do. So we got those. These are Glow Favor Surprises. So we got some jets. I didn't know, like I didn't want to get a lot of candy because it's gonna be hot. I don't want the candy to melt. So I just got some of like these Creamy Delight hard candies. There's like the little versions of the little things. These are flutes. They glow. Some necklaces. I thought these were cute. They're little boxes, and you can like stack them up and stuff. So I got those. I got 2 packs of those. These are napkins. Let me tell you, the Dollar Tree has really great spices. I found this spice, and this is a brand name. It's a coriander, and I'm not even gonna try to say it, but I found this. This was only $1 at the Dollar Tree. Like, we love their spices. So we did get that. And we got a Memphis style barbecue seasoning dry rub. So that's pretty cool, and there's no carbs in this. Because I do like barbecue, but I can't have the sauce. It's like packed full of sugar. This is my toothbrush. Let's see. Here's some whistles, because there will be some girls there. The kids love these stupid things. I don't like them, but it's for the kids. Oh my gosh, I got this kitchen towel. It's so cute. It says, just beat it, and it's got like the little KitchenAid on it with the little red, black, and gray polka dots. So cute. I did get that. And then, because we will be at the pool, I did get these like water balls. So I'm just doing like 8 gift bags. So I got those. So these are the bags that I'm going to use. I was hoping to find a darker blue or a brighter blue, but they didn't have any. Oh, I got yellow streamers. Where is it with the blue ones? Oh, wow. What else did I get? Oh, yeah. I got a blue tablecloth and blue napkins. So like I said, we already have plates. Blue and, I was like blue and yellow balloons. And then I got this pucker party pack sour heads. More whistles for parents to hate me. Another pack of these big jumpy things. The little clickers. And what is this? Oh, this is for his cakes. Oh, my dryer sheets that I love. And these bags. So I might write like the word supply drop on them or party drop, but I don't know. We'll see. So these come 3 in a pack for $1, and I just thought that they were really, really cool. I should have got some thank you notes, but if I look at these invitations, do they open? No, I think it's just a card. Oh, but you know what I can do if I have time is, so these are his invitations, and I think what I might do is on the back of them I might glue, I have some glue sticks, and I'll just glue like just a piece of paper and just say thanks for coming to my party and put them in the little goodie bags. I think that's what I'll do. So I'm just gonna make like 8 bags up because there's really not that many kids coming. I mean, there is, but there isn't. So yeah, I'm just gonna make these up real quick and I will be back. All right, guys, so it's been a hot minute actually since I last saw you. I have been busy putzing around the house getting some stuff done, and I did do the goodie bags. They're in here, and then I taped them up. I forgot. I was like, I should have waited to tape them up so I could show you, but I got the little goodie bags in here. There's one of everything, and the candy. Nothing too fancy, nothing too special. I don't have time to like, I wanted to, so if you go on Etsy, so Etsy has like these digital downloads and people create this stuff and you can just download it. Like, I could have downloaded the whole party pack, like the printable banners, the invitations, cupcake wrappers, like the little wrapper that you wrap around the cupcake, cupcake toppers, and I could have made everything my own, and I would have had it even for next year because it's yours forever. Hold on, my son's coughing. But because that's what we did for the classroom decorations. If you feel like buying the ink, or you can go somewhere maybe and print it out and not waste your own ink. But I think it's so good. I've gone to Etsy for our, like I said, for our classroom stuff, classroom posters, things like that, even letters for bulletin boards. You get this pack and then you just print out what you need and you have it forever, so you could always go back to it. So yeah, that's just something, I mean, for $5 and you have like a complete party pack. So good deal, I think. But yeah, so Alright guys, I'm gonna wrap this up. I got a cake to start. As far as the cake goes, I don't know why cake decorators be like, oh, it shouldn't take me so long, and then like 6 hours later you're like, oh. So yeah, let me get started on this cake. Alright guys, I love you so much. I'll talk to you later. Bye.